Good evening and a very warm welcome on this weekend evening. And we are gathered here to answer a question which comes to our mind very often, but we do not have an answer to it. The question is, should you be taking a drop for IPM after 12? And not only for IPM, but any of the top notch colleges of the country. So after this session, you'll definitely have an idea whether a drop is required or not. So answering a drop is not a very easy decision. Trust me on this, guys. I'll request you all to pause this particular video and bring your pen as well as paper and start jotting down few points which are going to be very, very valuable for you in understanding are you actually made for IPM or not? Or should you be taking this particular drop or not? First of all, there are many students who competed for IPM exams, be it Indore, Rohtak, or any other IIM last year as well. So they may be knowing a lot in and around the aptitude part. You must also be knowing where do you exactly stand today, and your conviction will also be telling you are you going to excel right now, where are you exactly going to move from right now. So your current scores, ranks, among others, are the very good parameters which are going to tell you that yes, you're good enough and you should be taking a drop for an examination like IPM or even for any top-notch college like Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies, Christ University, or Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. Secondly, the most important thing is your conviction. So if you really wish to get inside a program like IPM Indore, your conviction cannot be defeated by anything. मुझे अच्छी तरीके से याद है one of our student cracked IPM Rohtak. She could not make into IIM Indore, but she took a drop. She took a drop because her conviction is very high. She wants to get inside that particular college, and she's quite confident enough that next year she's going to make into it. Third, value of the college you're getting right now. So, if you are going to get inside a local college, which is having never near a decent ranking of NIRF, you must not go over there. Or you can consider of taking a partial drop. Partial drop से मेरा मतलब है getting inside that particular college, but studying for IPM. So, the value of college is low right now. That means that you need to study for one more year. You may study in that particular college wherever you're going right now, लेकिन एक साल का ड्रॉप लेना जरूरी बन जाता है. फोर्थ, आपके पास एक अच्छी स्ट्रेटेजी है कि नहीं है. डू यू हैव अ प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटेजी और नॉट. हैव यू फॉर्म सम गोल्स एंड टारगेट्स फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर. So if you are clueless completely, then it's a problem. You must be making some goals right now. So for example, right now it's October. How you're going to face November, how you're going to face December, how you're going to face the upcoming months as well are should be in your hit list. Can you track your till date and future progress? Also makes it important. So if you wish to study for IPM, you have not started it yet. It's very, very important for you to track the progress in the coming time. If you have studied till date, you must be having the figures of your till date progress and the future progress as well. Before going further, let us understand what category of students are going to get benefited from this particular video. All those students who have taken drop. Secondly, all those students who have got inside some of the colleges right now, but they're not satisfied with their current standing. So you may be in college A, but you wish to get inside college A++. So IPM Indore is one such college. Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies is another college. IPM Rohtak is also in this particular length. And similar colleges are going to be very, very useful for you if you are considering giving 1 year investment for studying for these particular examination, for the entrance exams for these particular colleges. So let's know, first of all, when you should actually not think of studying for these particular examinations or taking exactly the drop for these particular examinations. First, when your academic score is very low in standard 10th and 12th. So I'm Indore and I'm Rohtak may not explicitly tell you that if you scored very less, we would not be taking you, but implicitly they're not going to take you. Trust me on this, guys. Secondly, when you exactly do not wish to pursue your career in the field of management, बस you are thinking कि हम इसलिए पढ़ लेते हैं क्योंकि IPM बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम है, हमने कहीं से सुना था, but management is actually not cup of your tea. Third, if you can't put your complete energy and devote your time for studying for IPM, Indore, and related examinations. Fourth, if it doesn't excite you. So trust me on this thing particular, guys. Many of our students who have got inside the top-notch colleges of the country also wish to study with us for one more year because they want to get inside IIM Indore only, and that's their dream. So that excites them. So until you feel excited for getting inside IIM Indore or related colleges, then you must not be thinking of studying for it for one particular year. Last but not the least, you're actually not good at aptitude. So, mathematics doesn't excite you. Not only mathematics, you're not good at English, then definitely this particular examination or related examinations are not made for you. Then there'll be category of students जिनको बस ये पता करना है कि अगर इनमें से आपके पास कुछ क्वालिटीज हैं तो आपको ड्रॉप नहीं लेने के बारे में सोचना ही नहीं है, मतलब 100% आप ड्रॉप ले सकते हैं. आई कैन वाउच ऑन दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, if you really want to get inside that particular college. So अगर आप आई एम इंदौर जाना चाहते हैं और अंदर से आपका मन करता है आई वॉन्ट टू गेट इनसाइड दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज, देन डेफिनेटली एक सेकंड थॉट देने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. सेकंड, अगर आप इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स के लिए या कॉलेज के लिए काफी टाइम से प्रिपेयर करते आ रहे हैं और कुछ मार्क्स से छूटे हैं, सो बिल्कुल हार मानने की जरूरत नहीं है. ब्रश अप योर नीज, जंप अप. एक साल इन्वेस्ट करने से कुछ कमी नहीं होगी. अगले साल आप वहीं पे पहुंचोगे जहां आप चाह रहे थे. तो ड्रॉप न लेने के बारे में बिल्कुल भी मत सोचिएगा. सेकंड, अगर आपने आज तक की जर्नी में धीरे धीरे करके काफी इंप्रूव कर लिया है, सो इट्स एन एप्टीट्यूड बेस्ड जर्नी, साथ साथ पर्सनालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट जर्नी, जो कि सारे के सारे एग्जाम्स आईपीएम प्लस बीबी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स मांगते हैं. और आपको लगता है कि आपने इस जर्नी में मेहनत भी खूब करी है और इम्प्रोवाइजेशन भी काफी हुआ है. अगर आपको ऐसा मन से लगता है तो 100% आप एक साल अपना इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं आई एम इंदौर या किसी रिलेटेड एग्जाम के लिए. आपके 12th के स्कोर्स अच्छे हैं, आपका एप्टीट्यूड अच्छा है, पढ़ाई हो सकता है अभी तक आपने स्टार्ट नहीं करी हो, डेफिनेटली यू कैन टेक अ ड्रॉप फॉर सेल्फ. डू नॉट गिव अ सेकंड थॉट. अगर आपके पास सर्टिफिकेशंस अच्छे हैं एज वेल एज आपकी पर्सनालिटी स्ट्रांग है शोकेस करने के लिए, then also IPM program and related exams are made for you. So we are also starting some batches for all those students who wish to study with us after 12th. And the batches are going to start from 12th of October by the name IPM Lakshya Night batches. A scholarship test is going to be conducted tomorrow, that is Sunday. We have uploaded one scholarship test link in the description box. Enroll it right now for the scholarship test, and your demo classes are going to start from 12th of October 2021. So there are a lot of confusions which must be cleared. So first confusion is, should I study in my current college and prepare? So the answer to this particular thing is yes, you can definitely prepare by studying particular college. But one thing you need to understand, that your focus should be at one particular thing. So it's a very heavy college. Over there also you are preparing for the examinations, and you have taken the burden of IIM Indore preparations also along with it. That's a complete no-no from my side. I'll suggest you to keep your focus on IPM Indore preparations completely. Second, does IIM consider drop students? This is a big confusion which comes into the minds of all these students. Trust me on this, guys. We have taught students who have taken 2-year drop as well, and they made into IIMs. So do not worry about this particular thought. Just cancel it, cut it somehow. There will not be a problem as such. Third confusion: how should I prepare in the drop year? You must have a complete ecosystem like Supergrads. So how are we preparing you? Let me help you with that particular thought as well. We have live classes that you can see the recorded form also later. Secondly, we completely clear your doubts within the online classroom as well as after the classroom whenever you're putting your doubts on the groups. Third, we prepare you, your personality, as well as you for the interview part. Fourth, we also help you with the study material. We have made one of its kind exclusive study material that reaches your home. You can also access in the ebook format. And last but not the least, we also help you with the performance review mechanism where we are giving you lot many mocks and we'll be calling you on a regular basis and understand whether you're doing good or not. So it's a complete ecosystem. So ecosystem like Supergrads can be really, really helpful for you in preparation for a tougher examination like IPM Indore. There are more confusions which will definitely come to your minds off and on. First, will I be losing 1 year? This is the most wasted thought. जब भी ये थॉट है इसको कट कर दो और किसी पर्टिकुलर डस्टबिन में डाल दो. इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए क्योंकि आप अपनी जिंदगी में 1 साल इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो. एप्टीट्यूड की प्रिपरेशन, इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन, पर्सनालिटी की प्रिपरेशन आपको लाइफ के लिए प्रिपेयर करती है, सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशन के लिए नहीं. तो आप अपनी जिंदगी का 1 साल खराब नहीं कर रहे हो. इस वेस्ट थॉट को डस्टबिन में डालना है. सेकेंड, वॉट इफ आई डू नॉट गेट थ्रू? सबसे पहले तो इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे जर्नी पे फोकस करना है, आउटकम पे नहीं, रिजल्ट पे नहीं. जर्नी इतनी फैंटास्टिक होनी चाहिए कि मजा आ जाए. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, इवन इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेक थ्रू, अगर खुदा ना खास्ता आप IIM इंदौर में नहीं जा पाते तो भी आपके लिए बैकअप के लिए बहुत सारे टॉप नॉच कॉलेजेस हैं. आज के टाइम आप किसी लोकल कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे होंगे जिसकी NIRF रैंकिंग स्ट्रांग नहीं है, जो आपको प्लेसमेंट्स अच्छे नहीं दे सकता, जो आपकी हायर एजुकेशन स्टडी के लिए कारगर नहीं है. पर अगर आप टॉप नॉच कॉलेज से पढ़ रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज आपने IIM इंदौर के लिए प्रिपेयर किया है, तो बाकी एंट्रेंसेस के लिए भी आप बहुत स्ट्रांगली प्रिपेयर हो जाएंगे. तो उन कॉलेजेस को आप बैकअप प्लान में जरूर रख सकते हैं. लास्ट कंफ्यूजन इज, what is that thing I should do in this year apart from studies? The most important part is, whenever your journey is good, you have to be very, very happy. Keep yourself motivated, encouraged, and you are more important than the result. That should be the thought which should be coming to your mind all the times. Only thing is working hard because efforts are in your hands, results aren't. So this last slide is a bonus slide and going to be very, very crucial slide for you guys to help your journey. What is going to be your drop journey? First, plan your year, break it into months, then into weeks. Plan, make small goals and big targets, achieve goals and then targets. Definitely trust me on this particular thing, guys. It's going to be a fantastic journey. मेक अ बैकअप प्लान एज वेल. बैकअप प्लान जरूर बनाओ, लेकिन बनाने के बाद उसको ठंडे बस्ते में डाल देना. इन केस खुदा ना खासा कभी कुछ नहीं होता है तो मैं क्या करूंगा, लेकिन फोकस आपका IIM इंदौर ही होना चाहिए. थर्ड, डू यू थिंक यूर डू नॉट थिंक दैट यूर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ 12th ग्रेडर. जो 12th ग्रेडर की अभी जर्नी है वही आपकी है. कोई भी बैगेज सर पे नहीं रखना है. यू हैव टू रिमेन हैप्पी थ्रू आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर जर्नी. Read, listen, speak English as much as you can. न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो, मूवीज इंग्लिश में देखो, सॉन्ग्स को भी इंग्लिश में सुनो, क्योंकि उससे ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी वर्बल एबिलिटी एज वेल एज इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशंस इंप्रूव हो जाएंगी. Practice, practice, and practice for quantitative aptitude sections as well as logical reasoning sections. Give as many number of mocks as you can. Topic mocks लिखो, sectional mocks लिखो, फिर full length mocks लिखो. उन सारे मॉक्स को एनालाइज करना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. एनालाइज करने से हमारा मतलब है उनकी डिटेल सॉल्यूशंस पे जाके कंसेप्ट्स को ढंग से समझना. जो डिटेल सॉल्यूशंस में कंसेप्ट्स समझ नहीं आ रहे तो फिर से लेक्चर्स को रिविजिट करिए. लास्ट थॉट, रिमेन हैप्पी नो मैटर व्हाट. It's going to be a fantastic journey. Trust me on that thing particular, guys. So by this, we are ending this particular session. Thank you for your valuable time. Subscribe Supergrads YouTube channel if you haven't till now. And best of luck for the drop. Register right now for the scholarship test. Lakshya batches for dropper students are starting from 12th of October. Thank you.